Hi guys, welcome back to Power Up with Kaynee. Today we're going to make a delicious 2-minute keto cake. Guys, this is so good. Sometimes when we're on a low carb diet, we get a sweet tooth. And we want something that is sweet and delicious, maybe for a dessert or for a snack. So this is it. You can make it in 2 minutes. So let me show you what you will need. You will need 2 tablespoons of almond flour. I'm going to make this all in this mug, and we're going to stick it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And all of the ingredients go into this one mug. You mix and put in the microwave. It's so easy. So let's start with 2 tablespoons of almond flour, also 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I also have 1/4 of a teaspoon of organic vanilla extract, 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 of a tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener, and then 2 large room temperature eggs. And don't forget a pinch of salt. And now we're going to mix this all together. When you're done mixing, your mixture will look just like that. You can tell it is smooth, but it still has a little bit of texture to it. It's just a little chunky, as you can tell. It can come off of your spatula, but it's very well mixed in together. Now you just want to pat it down just a little bit using your spatula. And I'm just cleaning off the sides here just a bit. So all of our mixture is at the bottom. We're going to put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. Don't be tempted to open the microwave and check it during those 2 minutes. At the end of the 2 minutes, you may be tempted to think, oh, that couldn't have been enough. I'm gonna give it another 10 seconds or another 20 seconds. Just trust the process, give it 2 minutes, and then you want to take it out with a towel because the cup will be very hot. Also, you don't have to worry about spraying the inside of your cup with avocado oil or butter, nothing like that, because our mixture is already very moist. Remember, we put in the 3 tablespoons of melted butter, so this cake will come out easily. It will not stick to your cup. All right, so I'm gonna give my cake 2 minutes in the microwave now. I've given my cake mixture 2 minutes in the microwave, and it smells amazing. I want you to take a look at what it looks like after 2 minutes. And if you touch it, it is fluffy and bouncy. And what you want to do before you flip it over onto a plate is, just to be safe, although I can already tell that mine really doesn't even need it, you want to run a spatula between your cake and the wall of your cup just to make sure that it comes out nice and easily and in one piece. But you'll be able to tell how easily this is going to come out. I'm gonna put my plate right over my cup and flip it over, and voila. Guys, it is amazing. It looks beautiful, it smells amazing, and it tastes so delicious. Now I'm going to show you how to make a frosting or something that is like a whipped cream for the top of your cake. This is an extremely easy recipe as well, and you can get this done in 1 minute. No blender required. You can do it all just in a bowl, just like this. So what I have here is 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I'm gonna pour that in there. I also have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I have a tablespoon of stevia. And I'm going to mix that all together. Our frosting or whipping cream mixture is ready. This will seem like it's quite a bit for such a small cake, but I always make more because when you cut into the cake, of course, you're not going to have any of this cream inside of it, and you may want more. So you can spoon more into your dessert plate if you need it. More is better in this case. And now I'm just going to pour it all over the top. Look how beautiful that looks. And it is not just beautiful, it is delicious. And now the possibilities are endless. You can garnish with whatever your favorite garnish is. I'm going to use sliced almonds. I'm going to use 1/5 of a cup. And I'm also going to place 3 blackberries on the top. If you have strawberries, you can use that. If you have raspberries, you can do that. Look at how beautiful that is with the sliced almonds and the blackberries on top. I can't wait to give this a taste. Your spoon will sink right into it because it is so moist. And look at the inside. It's a cake, y'all. Let's give it a taste. Oh my word. You can have this with a cup of coffee and your heart and your belly will be so happy. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe this is keto. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. This is what I call guilt-free dessert. And it didn't take a lot to do it. Amazing. You have got to try this. All right, my Power Up friends, that's it for this video. For more healthy and delicious recipes and short content ideas and nuggets, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you're notified each time I share a video. Also, share the love with family and friends who have embarked on a healthy eating journey. I post every week to help you power up and become a healthier you. Bye until next time.